Hey, it's Green Bay Waggy. You know, I make news videos, comedy videos, music videos. You can subscribe to the channel or even become a member. But actually, I've always had some how-to videos. I'll prove it here. Prove it, prove it, prove it. Right down here, how-to videos, cars, trucks, trailers. And I even have some on computers, OBS, that kind of thing. I was thinking about it because I have this device installed. You might have a car, truck, or boat that the battery's going dead. Maybe it sits for a week. You go to start it and it's always dead. Something is drawing the power out. By the way, the simplest thing to check is the glove box light. By the way, glove box light. Just so you know. But, you know, not everyone's rolling in the dough. And to go to a shop and have electrical work done is $100 an hour or more. It's very time consuming. It could take a shop 3, 4, 5 hours to pinpoint, you know, where your battery draw is. And you're going to have this huge bill, plus they're going to have to fix it. Let me show you how to fix this in like 10 minutes or less with just regular household tools. The little device really help you out. Simple to use. I'll show you right now. So here's your new best friend, the battery isolator. It's a quick disconnect. That's Amazon and eBay that you saw there. They're $30 at the car parts store. All you got to do is attach it to your battery post, car, truck, boat. Put your battery cable on the end of it. And now you've got a connection to start your vehicle. But when you're going to park it, look at how easy this is to do. All you're going to do, yeah, it's so easy to connect there. You can do it on the positive or the negative. It doesn't matter. I used a little shim on that one because my battery post cable was a little bit too big. All you have to do is unscrew the knob. And now your battery's disconnected from the vehicle. Let it sit for a week or two or a month or whatever, and then simply tighten it back up. It's right back on. There's a little plastic plate in there. That's it. Save yourself a bunch of money.